Hi everyone, this is BBP with a Metrokane Houdini wine set. It is a 4-piece set, and it just comes the way you see it here inside a box. There's no special gift wrapping or any kind of a special case. It's just 4 separate items packaged and sold together as a bundle. First up is the wine preserver. It comes in this plastic box or plastic little pack. Inside this is another plastic pack, and the plunger is just a simple plastic tube. You place the stopper over bottle, put this on here and just pump. So quality isn't great on this, it just feels kind of cheap. It's plastic. Next is the aerating pourer. It is sort of like a gooseneck little spout, and it is meant to aerate wine as it comes out of the bottle. Again, all plastic. Here's the aeration hole and a plastic straw. Wine enters through here, out here. I'll show you a little bit later. Next is the waiter's corkscrew. So it's very similar to your standard run-of-the-mill corkscrew, except it's got a much nicer feel to it. It's the satiny rubbery finish here. The foil cutter, much like the same of any other corkscrew. It's got this hinged or a hinged, slightly hinged piece here, a little bit more leverage, and the corkscrew itself. And finally, the carafe itself. And kudos to Metrokane for using environmentally friendly packaging. There's no styrofoam in here. It is just a big piece of molded paperboard. And the carafe is 18/8 stainless steel with this cap. Put ice in here, and the aeration holes to aerate your wine. And when you need to put in your wine, take off the screw top, fill this up, and this column, if you need to change out the ice, just pour it out and screw it back in. And here I have the aerator. And a bottle, a wine bottle that I've filled with water. It doesn't go in very deep here, so comes out very easily. So as you can see, it changes the pour characteristics, and it comes out in these legs down the aerator, creating turbulence and mixing with the air.